Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's your old man Mark Bryce, and today's video is another cosmetic video on an item that I believe the 2020 Grand Cherokee Altitudes do not carry. I've seen them in the SRTs, I've seen them in the Limiteds, I've seen them in the Trackhawks. Now I do not see them in carbon fiber, but I do see them in that silver or that aluminum steel cover. And this item that I'm about to show you, I've done my research because I noticed the altitudes, like I said, they do not carry it. So you're probably wondering where this is going to go. Now, this is actually in your trunk, your tailgate. So when you pop the tailgate and it's up, it's by the rubber floor mat. So let me go ahead, bring the camera over there. But before I do want to talk why I made so many videos lately on cosmetics on the vehicle and not that many videos on mods. Well, the mods are going to happen on the Jeep, I would say around March, April. It's normally around springtime, just to prepare for summer. The weather gets warmer. And also, this vehicle is only about 7 weeks old, 6 to 7 weeks old, where it came around the time, well, this is holiday season, and I got family birthdays coming up, Christmas, and all these stuff that plays a big part on what I need to invest my time in, my capital. So I do not have any time right now to do some big changes on this vehicle. But I do want to mention to everyone that what to expect. I am planning on doing changing the wheels to something bigger, 22s, dual exhaust to remove that single exhaust that I have there. I want to have one on the left and right side. Big brake kits, more stuff in the interior, big changes. So there are a lot of stuff that I want to do, but just right now, it's going to take about a couple of months from now. But thank you everyone who has been tuning in and subscribing on my channel. Thank you so much. This video was dedicated on my first vehicle, the Sonata, and then it's growing into the Jeep because this is my new vehicle and I love it, and there's so much to do to it. So let's go ahead and show you where this is gonna go. Okay, so now we're at the trunk tailgate of the vehicle. As you can see here, this area is empty. Now, like I said, the Trackhawks, the SRTs, the Limiteds, they have like an aluminum steel cover placed here. And this just seems too plain for me. I was going to go ahead and try to mimic that style with the aluminum steel, but I actually wanted carbon fiber. I wanted something here because it looks too empty. Make sure you clean it off with some alcohol, and also get inside the little lines that are in between, the outlines, and make sure there's nothing there, any debris, because you do not want that to get stuck to the 3M tape. Now, you see my other videos where I do those little cosmetics in the interior and I peel off the 3M tape, and all I really do is just use the use epoxy glue. Well, in this video, I will not be doing that. I will be using the 3M tape that's inside the carbon fiber. But what you will have to do, now, I guess because in my where I am right now, the temperature is in the 40s, early 40s, late 30s. It does get cold. So the product that I'm using, let me just show it to you again. The carbon fiber, these covers, you're gonna have to make sure that they stay warm. You do not want them to be cold and thick. They need to be flexible, especially when you press them on. Okay, this one is for this side. And this one is for this side. Okay, I want to make sure I'm going to use my heat gun, warm up this area right here, and also warm up the 3M side. So then I can easily, more flexible, to place it in and keep it pressed in. You may want to use something heavy to keep the weight on this, but don't use anything that's heavy that may scratch the finish of your material here. So let me go ahead and finish cleaning this up, and let me clean up this side as well. Like I said, just make sure that it's cleaned very well. Use a heat gun, keep it warm, and then take your product and clean that area as well. All right, there we go. I was able to remove the 3M red wax paper. So that is the sticky side right here. Now let me go ahead and warm this up with my heat gun. I already warmed up this area. Just warm it up for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I would say 10 seconds. Like I said, the only reason why I'm doing this is because it's cold out here and this gets cold and stiff, and you want to keep it warm and flexible when placing it to your specific location. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm just constantly applying pressure and make sure there's nothing in there, any debris or any sand or any dirt. That's it, because you want to make sure it bonds well and doesn't peel out. Because normally I do not like using 3M tape when I want to stick something permanently, because it just feels it won't stick. Cold moisture, cold air, it's going to loosen the bond and it'll just peel out. So I'm just making sure everything stays intact. There you go. You can see the between both sides how it curves. Oh, but it looks good. And I love the feeling. I don't know. Some people like carbon fiber and some people like carbon fiber gloss. I like the gloss carbon fiber. I like that look. Okay, now let me go ahead. I haven't peeled this one yet, still there, but I definitely have to warm this area up. I think I'm gonna have to clean it up again with the alcohol swab and then heat everything up. All right, so let me do that now. Okay, I can't stress it enough. Make sure it's warm and flexible. If it's cold and stiff, you're doing it all wrong. It will never, ever stick. Make sure it's warm and flexible. All right, there you go. I would say this project will take you no more than 10 minutes. Very simple to do. Just make sure that you follow. Now, again, this is for the people who have vehicles or Jeeps that have that shape, but there's nothing in there. This is perfect for you. You can get them in any finish. I've seen them in red. I've seen them in silver. I've seen them in carbon fiber. I've seen them without the gloss on the carbon fiber. That's what you like, but I like the gloss. It matches my, although you can't see it, but it matches my license plate holder. It looks nice. I like this. I'm just making sure that's constantly in and that they stick in. Well, there you go. Just wanted to bring out the car so you can see it during daylight. Looks very nice, very glossy. That's what I like. Matches the front carbon fiber gloss that's on the dashboard panel and the door panels. The only thing that's missing are the rear passenger doors. I gotta start carbon fiber wrapping those now. But yep, these came out beautiful.